Map Business Online video. I'm looking at Map Business Online. We just released 4.3, and I was just going to show you a little bit about templates. And while we're doing that, why don't we just, I've got the county layer turned on. Up here in the Add Map Layers button, you'll notice we have census tracts, city limits, statistical areas, which we had before, but we've added school districts. Those are kind of cool, and you can just, zip those on here, and they'll show up over here in your layer. So, like with the 3-digit zip codes, if I click those on, then you see them show up here in this layer. But getting back to counties, up here in the in the color code by county zip or administrative district layer, we can choose counties and go at the demographic data to show you that there's a variety of new data sets in here now. We've got the same old population and household data, a little bit of income, and then beyond that we go into ethnicity, gender, employment, occupation, housing units, time travel, just all sorts of stuff in here. So it's kind of cool to have some new, about a dozen new areas to work with in census demographic data. I just am really enjoying working with that. So I will just create a new map view just for the sake of saving a template. And I want to make sure I got the right amount of zeros there. That's 1,001. Let's make this a little more colorful. So we might say this is our template. We want to save this as a template map, and so we're going to go to the save function up here when we get everything done. So our map says what we want it to say. We've arranged our demographic layers. We've turned the street data off if we don't want that. We've got our county data over here displayed in the legend, and we know that's what we want it to say is what we want it to be. So we have an editable legend. It's always important to remember that over here, because it allows us to control all of this information. So we could shorten that, for instance, and make that legend a little bit more manageable within our map. And that can help make the map a little bit easier for our constituents to understand. Once we get that ready, we come over here and save the map, which is pretty straightforward. And when we save that map now, you could save it as a template. So you could select template, and then your map save name will be listed down there. Example map for video. And then you save it, and it will show up down below the next time you go to open a map. So we're going to click here to create a new map. Typically what would happen is this map would either save it or it would go away. Now you're going to have an option here to open your map from other folders. That's where you can choose which data sets you want to work with, the US, Canada, or a combination of the US and Canada or the United Kingdom. And then here in your templates will be the maps that you've saved as a template, and you can just create that map and up it will come. So that's how you use templates in Map Business Online. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Thank you very much. See you next time.